What's up, guys? This is Ryan Johnson with MoneyBass.com. Just wanted to take a few minutes to touch bases with you guys. I've been offline for maybe 2 days or so. Actually, I did upload a video just last night. I forgot about that one, but that was the How Would You Fish It? Just kind of like a little series that I've started doing each week. I will continue doing that. Looks like we're getting some, some good comments. Some people that like to participate in that. If you have not had a chance to take a look at that, I will put the link to that video down in the description. And as usual, guys, please make sure you always check the description and always participate in the comments. So really, this is just a catch-up video just to see what you guys got into this weekend. How many of you guys fished tournaments and what were the results that you had? I know there's a few different clubs that had some tournaments this weekend, and I wasn't able to participate in any this weekend. I was a little busy. But if you guys participated in any tournaments or just went fishing in general, just drop a comment. Let me know how you did out on the lake. And another thing, guys, look at the view count and the subscriber count. As you will see, those numbers are continually increasing. And I know there's a lot of you guys out there that know me, that watch my videos, and you do support the channel. You do support the channel by viewing the videos, but take a second and hit that like button for me. It really does help the channel out, guys. And also the comment section. What I'm trying to do with the comment section is get that participation up and keep it up. So if you know me, if you really want to support the channel, just drop a comment. Even if it's just, hey, what's up, or just hi, just anything. That comment adds to my comment count, and that really helps the channel out overall. Also, I will get into that second part of my tackle warehouse unboxing. If you saw maybe a few days ago, I did receive a partial shipment, and this other shipment did come in a little earlier than expected, which is always a good thing. I may get out to the lake, hopefully at least one day this week, but I will be taking my boat in to have a little touch-ups done to it here and there. I'll inform you guys, give you some details on that a little later. But that's pretty much it. Just wanted to touch bases with everyone, see how everybody is doing, and just give you those quick updates, see if you guys can continue supporting the channel. And also, as I mentioned in the last video, I'm working on putting together the membership section, and there will also be a Discord where my true subscribers, my true people that are supporting the channel, there's a lot of day ones out there, and there are a lot of guys that are currently subscribing and getting those numbers up for me. I will go through the comment sections for maybe the past 5-10 videos, something like that, and just see who's consistently been there, and just shoot an invite out to you guys so you can get into that membership section where we can go over things in a lot more detail and continue to build that community where we are there to help people out and make sure we all have successful days on the water. So once again, make sure you please continue to participate in the comment section. So that's about all I have for now, guys. But let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. If any of you guys have put in any orders or anything like that, please drop that down in the comments. Also, let me know what baits that you'll be planning on using over the winter as we get into that transition. Also, the other thing, that ditch bite. Has anybody been out there on the lake and started fishing the ditches, scanning and things like that? That's where they're at, guys. Look for those bait fish. It's time to pull out those spoons and some baits like that. You want to imitate those smaller bait fish and get out there, and always come back to the channel and let me know what type of results you're getting out there. But let's go ahead and get into this unboxing real quick. Haven't opened it up yet, but I kind of have an idea of what I ordered. You know, sometimes we'll get into the mood and we'll get on there and start clicking on a few things, and before we know it, we'll have that order coming in and like, can't really remember what was in it, but we always know it's going to be something good. All right, so with this being the second half of my shipment, and just as I thought, this is going to be the other part of my spy bait. I'm just trying to get my spy bait collection back up, because as you know, I like fishing these directly over brush piles, and sometimes I will bring them just close enough to the brush pile to get those fish to react so they don't have to travel that far to come up and grab them. But What that does sometimes is you will get caught in those brush piles and you could break them off. But one of the things to keep in mind, guys, with spy baits or baits that you fish and they come in contact with those brush piles, if you don't set the hook into those, once you get kind of hung up on it, once you start feeling that pull back a little bit and you definitely know that it's not a fish, you want to make sure you don't put any pressure on it and just go ahead and go completely over that brush pile. And the weight of these, if you just wiggle them, they will come back loose and you can get those out on a lot of occasions. But if you can't, always keep that lure retriever with you, because they will come in handy, because you don't want to keep losing these type of baits in the lakes. All right, so pretty much this is just a continuation of the last unboxing that I did. So I have the G-Fix 80 spy baits. Let's see if you guys can see that. All right, so I got 2 of those. And these are the Ghost Pearl color. And I like those. It's kind of a translucent white, but whenever those are moving in the water, that flash is real good. So these can actually be used on, say, a cloudy day or when it's partly sunny, things like that. That's what I pretty much got that bait for. And another thing that I picked up, let's see. Is the Spinbait 72, the Alpha series. And these are just a little bit bigger profile. I'm trying these out to see if maybe these will be able to get some of those bigger fish to come out of that cover and come up and grab those. So let me see if I can do these like this. So I got 3 more of these. Let me just show you those. And I'll tell you the colors that I have on these. All right, so one of these is the, don't know if I can pronounce that, Komochi Wagasagi. All right, that's one. It's more of a natural looking bait. Maybe you can see that one, but just pull it up on Tackle Warehouse and you'll be able to see that color on there. And then this one is another one that I would use on maybe like when there's some cloud cover out, because it's more of like a bone or a pearl white color. And this one is called Chartreuse Shad. All right, that one's pretty simple and to the point. And this one is another natural looking bait. And it is Ghost Essex Shad. Is that color right there. All right, and finally, we have, this is a G-Fix 80, and it is in Ghost Minnow. All right, so there we go, Ghost Minnow, guys. Okay, so I will drop a link in the description that will show you my spy bait setup. And there may be 1 or 2 videos that I've done recently where you can see me on the water catching some nice fish in those. And like I said, make sure you click the link down in the description for the How Would You Fish It video. There'll be some good information in there on that. And love to see what you guys think and how you would fish it. And also remember, there's other guys commenting in there, so you may learn a few things about some new techniques that you may not have thought of. But that's it for now, guys. Let me go ahead and close this out. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.